Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to conquer Candy Crush level 7052. This is a notoriously difficult ingredients level where your main goal is to collect 6 cherries. You'll need to carefully manage your 20 moves, clearing various obstacles like rainbow twists and locked cherries to guide your ingredients to their designated exits. It requires a thoughtful approach and strategic planning. To start, focus on growing the frog by making matches with candies of its color. Once the frog is sufficiently grown, strategically use it to clear those pesky rainbow twists and grab the key located in the top right section of the board. Additionally, creating powerful special candies, particularly striped and wrapped combinations, will be essential for unlocking the cherries and clearing pathways. A critical obstacle is the locked cherry in the bottom right. You must use the frog to unlock it by placing the grown frog on the empty square directly above the cherry. As cherries move on the conveyor, use striped candies from the top right to clear the path beneath them, ensuring they drop through the portal. Missing the portal means the cherry returns to the start, costing you precious moves. For advanced play, always plan your moves several steps ahead to set up powerful combinations and efficiently move your ingredients. Focusing your matches towards the bottom of the board can often create cascades, helping to clear more candies and advance your cherries. While this level is tough, try to complete it without boosters first, but don't hesitate to use them if you find yourself consistently stuck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.